Good morning, students. Let us continue with differentiation. Assume if y equal to x square, how much is dy by dx? As you have seen in earlier videos, it is 2x, right? Now, if y equal to x plus 2 whole square, then how will you differentiate it? So there is a method for it. So dy by dx equal to, you will assume this entire thing to be x. So now it is of the form x square. X square differentiation is 2x. So 2 into x plus 2. And at last into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you consider, that you need to write. Am I clear? You will consider the entire thing to be x. And now it is of the form x square. So x square differentiation is 2x. Into, in place of x, whatever you consider, that differentiation should be written. So now it will become 2 into x plus 2 into this d by dx gets applied to this one and also to this one. So when it is applied on x, it is 1. When it is applied on 2, it is 0. So no change, it remains the same thing. Am I clear? Look at one more example. When y equal to x cube and y equal to 2x square plus 7 whole cube, how much will dy by dx in this case? It is 3x square. So whenever the entire term or else more than one term has got a power, you will assume that entire thing to be x. And now it is of the form x cube. So which will become 3x square. So it is 3 into 2x square plus 7 whole square into d by dx of what, in place of x, whatever you considered, which is 2x square plus 7. So it is 3 into 2x square plus 7 whole square. Now d by dx gets applied to this one and also to this one. When it is applied on 2x square, 2 comes out, x square is 2x, and for 7 it is 0. So my remaining answer is 4x. So it is 12x into 2x square plus 7 whole square. This is the answer. Am I clear? One more example, let us see. Look at next example. When y equal to root x and y equal to root 3x square plus 5. If here root x means x power half. So dy by dx equal to half into x power half minus 1, which is half into x power minus half. So far you have already learnt before. In this case, it will become 3x square plus 5 power half. Directly you can't differentiate. You will assume this entire thing to be x. So now it is of the form x power half. So dy by dx equal to half into 3x square plus 5 power half minus 1 is minus 1 by 2 into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you considered. Whenever the x, whatever you are considering in place of x, that you need to keep it here at last. So now it becomes 1 by 2 into 3x square plus 5 power minus 1 by 2 into d by dx gets applied to this one and also to this one. When it is applied on 3x square, 3 into 2x is 6x plus 0 I am not writing. We'll simplify while doing sums. As of now, this is the answer. Is the difference clear? Whenever the entire term has got, when entire expression has got the power, you will take the entire thing to be x. And you will assume to be x power half, and at last you need to do d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you have considered. Look at next example now. If y equal to 4 by x power 5, how much is dy by dx over here? Directly you can't do. First x power 5 will go up. It will become x power minus 5. So now it is 4 into minus 5 into x power minus 5 minus 1. Am I clear? So it is minus 20 into x power minus 6. Now if it is like this, y equal to 4 by this entire thing power 5. Directly you can't do, so you will assume this entire thing to be x. So dy by dx from here, if I take the answer, it is minus 20 into x power. So 9x square plus 2x plus 10 power minus 6 I get. Into, in place of x, whatever you consider, that should be written over here. Because here x is not just x. In place of x, you have the entire expression. Now this gets applied to this one and also to this one. So my answer is minus 20 into 9x square plus 2x plus 10 power minus 6 brackets. 9x square differentiation, 9 will come outside, x square is 2x, so 9 into 2x is 18x. For 2x, 2 will come out, dx gets cancelled, it is 2. And when it is applied on 10, it is 0. So no need to write that. So this is the answer. So in place of x, whatever you consider, that into differentiation should be there. Let us continue. Next sum is y equal to 3x minus 2 power 7. Then how much will dy by dx be? You will assume this entire thing to be x. So now it is x power 7. So it will become 7 into x power 6. So 3x minus 2 power 7 minus 1, 6. Into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you considered. Is the example clear? So the result is 7 into 3x minus 2 power 6. Now d by dx gets applied to this one and also to this one. So it will become 3x is 3 and for 2 it is 0. So it is 21 into 3x minus 2 power 6. Is the answer clear? Did you understand? You need to assume this to be x. Then x power 7 differentiation into, in place of x, whatever you considered. That's how you need to do when the entire bracket has got the power. Now another example you see. If it is y equal to x square minus 5 by x power 5, then how much will dy by dx equal to? First you will assume this entire thing to be x. So it is x power 5 is 5 into x power 4, right? Into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever is there, that you will be writing. So it is 5 into x square minus 5 by x power 4 into d by dx gets applied to this one and also to this one. Of x square it is 2x. Of minus 5 by x will go up x power minus 1. So it will become plus 5 into x power minus 2. Is it clear? Look at next sum now. If it is y equal to 6 by cube root 2 minus 3x. First 2 minus 3x power 1 by 3. That will come up. It becomes 2 minus 3x power minus 1 by 3. Am I clear first with the first step? Next, you will assume this entire thing to be x. So it is now x power minus 1 by 3. So dy by dx equal to 6 into minus 1 by 3 into 2 minus 3x power minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Clear? Into d by dx of internal, in place of x, whatever you have considered. Is a step clear? So it becomes minus 2 into 2 minus 3x power minus 4 by 3 I get over here. This d by dx gets applied to this one and also to this one. Result of 2 is 0. When it is applied on minus 3x, I get minus 3. So this is my answer, 6 into 2 minus 3x power minus 4 by 3. Am I clear so far? 2 into 3 is 6. Look at another example now. When y equal to 1 by 3x square plus 4 power 7. Directly I cannot differentiate. First this will go up. So it will become 3x square plus 4 power minus 7. Now dy by dx equal to, this entire thing you will assume it to be x. So it is now x power minus 7. So it is minus 7 into 3x square plus 4 power minus 7 minus 1. Into dy by dx of, in place of x, whatever you assume, that should be written at last over here. You cannot miss this. So now it is minus 7 into 3x square plus 4 power minus 8. Now d by dx gets applied to this one and also to this one. When it is applied on 3x square, 3 will come out, x square is 2x, so it becomes 6x. When it is applied on 4, it is 0, so I am not writing that. So this 7 into 6, 42. So minus 42x into 3x square plus 4 power minus 8. This is my answer. I am trying to tell you, whenever there is entire expression has got the power, you will assume it to be x. And finally at last d by dx of whatever in place of x you assume. In this case also we are assuming this entire thing to be x at last into d by dx of in place of x whatever you assume. Am I clear? In this video I stressed on powers. Whenever the entire expression has got the power, then how will you differentiate?